Today I'm going to be working on my 2016 Keystone Bullet camper. Bought this last year. There's always something that needs fixed or upgraded or updated. So today I'm going to be working on the two roof vents that open up. The seals around the lip of that are completely dry rotted and super hard, not sealing up, getting a little water when it rains in there. So pretty simple procedure. I'm just going to show you how I do it, and hopefully you can get some out of this video. So I apologize ahead of time, guys. It's kind of windy today, so you might be getting some wind noise in this video. All right, this one here I've already put on here, but I wasn't happy with it's not really sticking very much. So I think if this was accidentally left open and we were going down the road, I think it would blow off. So I'm actually going to clean some of the old glue off. There's just a little bit of it, and then I'm going to put some of this kitchen and bath adhesive caulk on this lip before I reinstall it, so it doesn't blow away on me. And there's just a little bit of glue on here, not much, but it looked like from the factory they must have put a little adhesive on here too to hold the original seal. Basically just making sure there's no high points, anything that can interrupt the new glue sealing good. There's really not much on here. So now I'm literally just going to take some of this, get it on my fingers, and just wipe it on here. Just enough so it has something there to hold it on there. Alright, now it has this little this goes on the lip there. The way the old one was installed was this part that sticks out here was on the outside. Just work it on this lip. The old one just came off real easy. It was just stuck on there and you just kind of popped it off and it came right off. The new one has a little bit of memory from being wrapped up in the package it came in. So it's a little bit, you have to fight it to get it on this lip, but once it's on, and once that adhesive dries, it should stay on there real nice. This is the one I bought. Bought two of them, one for each vent. That one there and this one here. They fit perfectly. All right, once I shut that vent and it holds that seal in place and dries, I think it'll be good shape and it won't move around, won't come off of there, won't come off of that lip. So if you have the same problem, you can know it's not too tough to tackle. That's all I got for today, guys. I just want to show you that real quick while I was working on it. Until next time, good luck with all your projects.